What's up, language leaders? Welcome back to the channel. I've missed you guys. Anytime we have these kind of weeks where we're uploading stories and I'm not actually on camera, I kind of start to miss this interaction. But I wanted to make this super quick video to let you know that on Wednesday, July 13th, 2022, I'm going to be hosting a live workshop specifically for you intermediate learners out there. Whether you are a lower intermediate, and also called an upper beginner, so like that A2 level, all the way up to a higher intermediate like a B2, I want you to join me on this workshop. We're going to be talking about how to tackle the biggest hurdles that intermediate Spanish learners face. You'll find the link to register for this completely free workshop here below. And even if you happen to be watching this after that date, go ahead and check the description box. I may have a replay for you or another showing, but I really do hope to see you on Wednesday live so that I can engage with you and answer your questions live as well. We're going to be talking about how to improve your Spanish grammar and make vocabulary stick by reversing the traditional learning process. We're also going to be talking about how to start to clean up your mistakes without becoming overwhelmed or discouraged. And also a surprisingly simple strategy to turn your input into Spanish output so that you can start to express yourself with confidence. Now, why are we going to be focusing on that intermediate level in this workshop? Well, that's because this is where I often see a lot of learners either lose motivation or simply plateau. Why does this happen? Well, here's an illustration that we could use to explain this. This is called the Dunning-Kruger effect, named after the psychologist who described this cognitive bias. So this is where, when we're beginners learning a new skill, everything is new. If we're going to apply this to language, well, every new word, every new piece of grammar or sentence structure is a win. And this usually leads to a peak in confidence early on. We're saying our first phrases, we're understanding our first little bit of language after starting from zero, so that is pretty exciting. But as we keep going, we realize, wow, I actually don't know anything. And even though we're actually progressing, we're further along than where we were before when we had all of that confidence. Well, as we keep learning, we're just not feeling it anymore because we realize how much there is to know and our confidence dips. And this unfortunate situation can continue the more knowledge we gain until we reach an all-time low. And this is when a lot of people give up, feeling like, okay, this is as good as it's going to get. I can't get any better. Language learning is just too hard. But if we find a way to keep going, then slowly but surely our confidence starts to rise again. And then we reach a point where now it's almost as high as it was before, but now it actually aligns with the knowledge and competence that we do possess. So this workshop is for you if you are feeling that lack of confidence, or if you're simply feeling stuck, like you just don't know what to do at this point. It's no longer as straightforward as when you first started learning the language. And it's also for you if you're just feeling bored. I see a lot of learners simply stall out because they're just not finding interesting, engaging Spanish resources anymore. Maybe their routine is just not getting them excited, and that's the reason that they plateau. So whatever your situation, join me on this workshop so that I can show you not only how to continue to progress, but how to do so effectively, in a fun way, and in a measurable way so that you're actually seeing your progress. Again, that's this Wednesday, July 13th, 10 a.m. Central Time, 11 a.m. Eastern. In fact, when you do click the link in the description box to sign up for this free workshop, you will see an option to convert the time in your time zone if you happen to live in a different one. I can't wait to see you guys there. I'm super pumped for this. Join me on this free workshop so that we can start tackling your intermediate hurdles together. Bye-bye.